Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Miguel. Today I'll be showing you how you can build an X Parasite system using Claude Code and Apify. Let me break it down for you. This system is going to be broken down into two different levels. For the first level, we're going to have the niche trend radar. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using Apify to find out what people are really talking about for a given niche. In my case, we're going to be using the example of AI. The second level is going to be an individual outlier tracker. What does that mean? It means that we're going to be choosing people, so influencers within a given niche, and we're going to be seeing their best performing tweets. Then we're going to be getting those tweets each and every single day, just so we know what's relevant and what they're actually talking about. We're going to build these two systems one at a time using those two tools. We'll be using Claude Code as the orchestrator. So Claude Code will build these systems for us. And these systems you can actually put on a scheduled task so they run each and every single day. They really cost pennies to run. Once you actually get all of that information, you can use it to either just quote and retweet what they actually just posted. You can remix everything that has been said by them. And last but not least, you can always just respond to those tweets. Well, we still call them tweets in a quick manner to keep up with the trends. Now, this is going to be one of the foundations for an AI content system. For Apify, you are going to need an account. Having an account in Apify gives you $5 of free credits each and every single month. And those $5 go a long, long, long way. So once you create your account on Apify, the next thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click on Go to Console. Inside of this Go to Console section, you will actually be able to just go ahead and fetch an API key for yourself. So you go into settings right here, then you go into API and integrations, and once you're here on the personal API credit, you can simply click on create a new token and you'll get that token. Now, I actually already did this, but this is a step that you actually have to follow if you haven't connected your Apify account to Claude Code. Now, we're actually going to go into Claude Code and we're going to get started. So in my case, it's already connected. You can connect it either via the custom connector from Apify, or if you just give the Apify key to Claude Code, it's actually smart enough to just keep track of it and reuse it each and every single time that you're going to be doing this. So now we're going to start with level one. Let me show you how. Hey Claude, please use Apify to scrape, let's say 1,000 trending posts on AI from X. I want to know what people are really saying that I can use to just start creating more content. Please use less than $1 for this test. And we will send that. So for Apify, you actually just pay per usage. So if you actually just tell Claude Code to use less than X amount of dollars for a test, it's actually quite good at just not using the amount of money. Now, as you can see, it's actually saying he's going to be scraping those 1,000 trending posts, keeping the run under $1. Now, something that's super interesting to note is that if you have never used a tool such as Apify, for example, it's actually a very good practice to just tell Claude Code to get the documentation from that tool to make sure that he doesn't get it wrong. In my case, he already has access to the documentation, so he's not going to get wrong the fact that he has to go ahead and just get all of the information from X. But add to your prompt, hey, Claude Code, please, before starting this, get the official Apify documentation so you don't make a mistake. The description is going to contain this prompt that I just said. Now, it's actually getting all of those tweets, so I'm going to come back to you when it finishes. And we're back. So as you can see, it already got 1,000 trending posts on AI from X via Apify. It explains to me exactly what it did. So it used 8 different angles at 100 queries each. So AI, ChatGPT, Claude, and all of those keywords that can be related to AI. So right now we notice that as usual on X, we have a lot of memes, but we also have quite a bit of people who are talking on things regarding vibe coding, agentic loops, local models. And because we actually get all of that data, we can query it. That means that we can ask questions directly about it. So, hey, I'm really interested in knowing more about the builder game. What are people saying mainly? What are they building with AI? So remember, it's not because it didn't really give you what you wanted on the first try that you cannot just simply ask for that information again. AI is fantastic at just speaking with databases. That's really the main usage for AI. So as you can see, it's gonna just go ahead and clean a bit of that data. Then it's gonna come back to me, explain to me what really people are building using AI on X. And this is gonna give me just a lot of food for thought that I can then turn into content, just to stick with the trends. Something that works extremely well that I've been using on my own content strategy is using contrarian takes on what's trending. I've been using that mainly on LinkedIn, and it's gotten me about 50,000 to 100,000 impressions on the post where I simply just say, Sonnet 5, for example, is garbage. That one performed really, really, really well. So it's going to just go ahead and analyze all of that. Then I'm going to come back to you with the results. And we're back again. So as you can see, it just ran an entire analysis on the database. It says a lot of people are talking about autonomous systems and autonomous agent systems. So that's something I can start talking about. This looks fantastic. So an open source GTM agent OS, a lot of vibe coding tools, and a lot of automation. So that's all that's trending on AI. But now let's just actually kick it up a notch and just create a system that is going to track people on X so we know what they're talking about. So for this example, I'm going to be taking Nick Sarayev. I'm going to call him a friend of mine at this point. We do speak a bit often. And I'm going to be taking his LinkedIn profile, his X profile, and then just using that for the second system. So for the second system, I'm simply going to open a new session. I'm gonna put the profile down below here. Hey, Claude, can you please use Apify to scrape all of the X posts that come from this profile, please? Now, it's actually going to be using Apify for this again. So Apify is really a fantastic tool when it comes to just data scraping, which means just getting information from the web. It's very hard to get information from X, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube, etc., without really using a dedicated tool. And this is where Apify comes in. Apify plus Cloud is actually just such a killer combo for so many business use cases. So as you can see, it's going to be building out the system that is going to be used to get all of the tweets from Nick, and then I'm going to come back to you. And we're back yet again. So as you can see, using Apify, we managed to get just the entire post history from Nick in this case. And now we can do anything that we want with it. So we can just keep track of all of the things that he's talking about. You can actually create a database, and with this, I simply mean a Google Sheet that contains several different creators in different niches, and each and every single morning, you run a routine that simply allows you to just keep track of all of the things that they're saying. So if you actually want to automate the two systems that are showing you how to build today, the only thing that you have to do is you have to click on the More option right here on Claude Code or Schedule Tasks if you did it with Cowork. Click on Routines, just right here. And once you click routines, you can simply just tell Cloud Code, hey, each and every single morning, I want you to go into this Google Sheet, look at all of the X profiles, YouTube profiles, Instagram profiles, and then just update of the database that contains all of their posts. This is gonna cost you a couple of cents each and every single day. So for example, for the 1,000 posts on X that we got, it literally cost me 90 cents. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is going to be the foundation of a content repurposing system. It can really get a lot more complex, but just simply using Apify plus Cloud Code allows you to get ahead of so many people who do research by hand. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you.